Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Hello Word. I'm your host, Alex, and I'm thrilled to have you join me for another linguistic adventure. Today, our word of the day is book. It's an A1 level noun meaning a set of written pages. So, what exactly is a book? Well, it's essentially a collection of paper, or nowadays sometimes digital pages, that are bound together and contain text or sometimes images, telling a story, or giving us information. Think of your favorite storybook. That's a book. It's a very fundamental word, often one of the first nouns we learn in English. Now, let's explore some words with similar meanings or synonyms. A synonym for book could be volume. For example, the library has a large volume of historical documents. Another synonym might be publication, as in, the author's new publication is due out next week. These words point to a collection of written material. Now, let's turn our attention to words with opposite meanings or antonyms. One antonym for book might be article. While a book is usually lengthy, an article is generally shorter, like in a newspaper. For instance, she read an interesting article online. Another antonym could be speech, which is spoken rather than written. He gave a captivating speech at the conference. So, how do we use the word book in everyday life? Well, it's all around us. We read books, we study from books, we collect books. You might say, I'm reading a book before bed. Or, I bought a new book at the store. Here are some other examples. Open your book to page 10. Or, she borrowed a book from the library. Or, this book is very informative. In short, a book is a staple of our lives. So let's recap. A book is an A1 level noun that means a set of written pages. We saw that volume and publication are synonyms while article and speech represent antonyms. We also saw how we use book in daily life. That's all we have time for today. Thank you all for tuning in to Hello Word. Your support is truly appreciated, and it really helps others discover this podcast. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe and leave a review so more people can find us. Don't forget to create your own sentence using the word book and share it as a comment below the video. We'd love to see what you come up with. Bye for now.